नो थैंकपी एक म्यूजियम है, म्यूजियम के रूप में दिया गया। वास्तव में ये नो थैंकपी एक गहना जो में कार्बी आंगलों की औरतें पहना करती थी, कर्णफूल, तो उस पर उसके आकार पर आधारित ये नो थैंकपी आज एक म्यूजियम, कार्बी म्यूजियम के रूप में परिवर्तित। और ये कार्बी आंगलों के ताजमहल से कोई कम नहीं है। रात दूर से ही ताजमहल सा दृश्य प्रस्तुत करता है।
Okay. Hi. My name is Antonia. I'm from Germany. I did a semester abroad at TIS Mumbai, and yeah, I just came across that festival through the other TIS students, and yeah, like especially this museum is a really interesting building, like very aesthetically pleasing, and I didn't expect anything like that to see here. So, and also I am in the museum. I think it's very good to see the cultural work and maybe the background of the culture and also some of the history. So when I now enter the festival, I think I have a better background knowledge. So
Do you know what it is?
Can you tell me?
Yeah, what is the name? Do you know the name?
No.
No Thengpi. No Thengpi, actually it is an ornament.
Okay. It's the earring, right? I saw it.
Earring,
Yeah, the silver big earring, right?
So this museum is designed on the basis of that. No Thengpi. P means ladies.
P means ladies.
Yeah, no Thengpi, that they are wearing this one. Here, suppose the ladies for ladies title P is used.
Yeah.
That's for the ladies.
Yeah.
So this is your first visit to Karbi Youth Festival.
Yeah.
Or before you came here?
It's my first visit, and I came very spontaneously, and I'm really happy to see now more of it. Also.
Are you staying here throughout the festival?
I think I will go back to Guwahati, but for this day I'm here.
You will be coming back because today is the first day. It is the reception day only, and from tomorrow only the main day. Different types of competition, cultural, dance, traditional, games and other thing will be there. The competition between the 33 that KCS zone, Karbi Cultural Zone. So you will be enjoying. And what are the things that you have enjoyed now?
Right now, we just came from the train and we went to the local crafts market, and I saw some of the.
At Taralangso.
In general.
Yeah, here.
Here.
Taralangso.
In this one, I went to the museum.
The first one.
Yeah.
Do you know that this is called the Taj Mahal of Karbi Anglong?
No, I didn't know that.
If you see the night view, so the whole it is white and light, and it will be like a Taj Mahal.
I can imagine.
Of Taj Mahal.
It's a very pretty place. Yeah. It's a very pretty place.
Have you seen the No Thengpi? Cheleng Ate Pai? The downside, there is beautiful. The downside is Hilop, and that is actually the suicidal spot in the history.
Okay. Okay. Thank you a lot.
आते पाए एक ऐतिहासिक पहाड़ है जिससे पुराने समय में एक गांव बूढ़ा के अत्याचार से अतिशय होकर युवतियां का एक दल आत्महत्या करते हैं, और इस प्रकार ये स्थान कार्बी आंगलों के इतिहास का हिस्सा बन जाता है। उसी का एक प्रतिबिंब है जो पश्चिम कार्बी आंगलों में है, ये चेलेंग आते पाए, अर्थात आत्महत्या का, या इस पहाड़ से आत्महत्या हुआ था।